Hi guys, welcome po sa ating channel at i-unpack natin itong Hubcore Exciting Repack round 2 na. Dahil maganda ang ating card na nakuha sa Hubcore, magra-round 2 na tayo. Yan. Nabili natin 70 pesos. Located ang shop niya sa Collective Base, Shops Bill Plus. Hanapin nyo na lang siya, ang cabinet niya doon. Okay, simulan natin. Ang first card ay si Kyle Kuzma, Prism. Next card, TJ Warren, Donruss. Next card, Domantas Sabonis, Donruss ulit. Puro Donruss na to. Miles Turner, Indiana Pacers, Donruss. Caris LeVert, Donruss ulit. Yun, Jamal Murray, Contenders season ticket. Ayan. Drew Holiday, Milwaukee Bucks, Panini Contender season ticket. Oh, Kelly Reeves, Lolo card. Next card ay Anthony Daniels. Hi girls.
Hello, Daddy.
Do you like my cards?
Yes. Why did you on the aircon? You like
Next card, Clear. Anong name niya? Travis Best. Ang nipis ng card ng Clear. Lolo card again. Skybox, Stuart Gray. Next card, Killian Hayes. Rookie card sana. Yon, rookie card ni Killian Hayes. Nice one. Aaron Nesmith. Aaron Nesmith. Base. Next, Zavenli. Rookie card ba? Rookie card. Dalawang rookie card na. At ang last card ay si Obi Toppin, Panis. Crusade. Wow. Crusade Prism rookie card. Wow, the best. Meron tayong tatlong rookie card. Killian Hayes, Zavenli, at si Obi Toppin, Slam Dunk King. Okay, that's all. Maganda uli ang card niya. For 70 pesos. Thank you for watching.